We have Philip from Pelham. Philip, we appreciate you joining us. How are you this evening?
Man, I'm doing pretty good.
Good.
I got more irons in the fire than I think that they've made iron at the moment. And I was supposed to speak to Kirby for a second about some of the things that I have going on, and see which way he can guide me.
Sure.
Go right ahead, Philip, if you will.
Okay, Kirby. One thing is, my wife has had some issues with the IRS. That's one thing. The other thing is, she had a stroke about 4 or 5 months ago, and had the virus and all of that. So she's unable to do anything, which has taken me kind of out of work because I'm having to take care of her. And I was just kind of wondering which way I need to turn to go on this to get, because it's creating some debt. We're having to sell our house, and that's going to be something that we're going to close on here in the next 3 or 4 weeks. And which direction do I need to turn to figure out how I'm going to get through? I'm not sleeping at night. I'm nervous as a cat about where we're going. Yes, we will have some income from the sale of the house, but how do I approach going into this with the most fair and best way to do it, I guess is what I'm asking you.
Yeah, Philip, and I'm sorry to hear that you and your family are going through that. First of all, let's sort of break this down piece by piece. The first thing that I think you should do is get in touch, and you're welcome to call our office, and let's talk about your wife's disability status and see if there's something that can be done there. The second thing I'm going to get to, Philip, is this. I want to get Gina to talk to us about your wife's IRS issues, the way you can manage IRS debt, and also with you selling your house, and I'm sure it sounds like you guys probably got some hospital bills you're dealing with too. And with the sale of that house and the influx of some income, is there a bankruptcy situation that would work well for Philip and his wife?
Without knowing how much money he is making on the sale of the house, my first thought is that we would consider putting him into a Chapter 13. Philip, you said you are working, is that correct?
As much as I can, because I have to take care of her during the day.
I see.
And all that, because she's not back driving yet or doing anything like that. So, anyway, the COVID killed us. But go ahead. You go ahead and just speak to me.
A Chapter 13 is a reorganization of your debt, and fortunately, tax debt can go into a Chapter 13, and you pay it back over 5 years. Depending on how much money you made on your house, you might could look at a Chapter 7 as well. And in some instances, certain tax debt is dischargeable in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. So I really think you need to get some information and sit down and talk to someone, even a telephone consult, just to get some information from you and let us kind of lead you in the right direction and decide which type of bankruptcy is best for you. And like I said, if you have a way to fund a case, you can do a 13 and pay the debt back over 5 years.
Wow.
And Gina, to give your office a call and talk through those plans, tell us what that costs for a flat.
I don't charge for consults. I talk to people all day long for free, and it is my honor and privilege to get to talk to you and discuss that with you.
Wow. Well, Philip, thank you so much for calling in. Sounds like Gina will be a great resource for you, and we certainly wish you the best and your wife, certainly with that situation.